After enduring a blistering March with temperatures soaring above seasonal averages, Coimbatore and several parts of Tamil Nadu, including Madurai, Karur, and the Nilgiris, witnessed widespread rainfall on Thursday, offering much needed relief from the relentless heat. The sudden downpours, described as pre monsoon showers by the Tamil Nadu weatherman, have begun cooling the region, though humidity levels are expected to remain elevated in the coming days. In Coimbatore, isolated showers commenced in the early hours, drenching areas like Periyanakanpalayam, Tudiyalur, and surrounding neighborhoods. Residents reported moderate to heavy rainfall, which is anticipated to persist intermittently throughout the day. Similar weather activity was observed in Madurai and Karur, while the Nilgiris recorded steady rainfall, further enhancing the district's lush greenery. According to the Tamil Nadu weatherman, the rain spell is likely to continue across the state for the next 2 weeks, with temperatures dropping by 3-5 degrees C. However, the relief from the heat will be accompanied by high humidity, particularly in urban areas. While daytime temperatures will dip, nights may feel muggy due to moisture retention in the atmosphere, he noted. Locals in Coimbatore welcomed the showers, with many expressing relief after weeks of oppressive heat. The rain has made commuting tolerable again, said Arpriya, a resident of Tudiyalur. Authorities, however, urged caution as sudden showers could lead to waterlogging in low-lying areas and disrupt traffic. Meteorologists attribute the rainfall to a combination of atmospheric instability and moisture incursion from the Bay of Bengal, signaling the onset of the pre-monsoon season. Farmers in the Nilgiris and neighboring regions welcomed the rains, hopeful for improved soil moisture ahead of the agricultural cycle. While the showers have temporarily eased the heat, the Tamil Nadu weathermen advised residents to stay prepared for erratic weather patterns typical of this transitional phase. Urban planners emphasized the need for stormwater management systems to handle sudden downpours, particularly in cities like Coimbatore and Madurai.